This 5-minute solution will show you how to make OBS record only game audio. Can OBS record audio only? No, OBS record audio only is not supported. Since this is a screen recorder and broadcasting tool, you have to record some video along with the audio to get the audio output. For example, you can record low quality videos along with high quality audio with the help of settings. Then you can either remove or separate the audio file using external tools. So first of all, I'm gonna starting record here, and I'm gonna stopping record, and then I'm gonna click on file, show recordings, and here is the dummy recording I just recorded. Now let's see how to separate audio from this video. To do that, open your browser and type here separate audio from video, and open this first website, audioextractor.net. Once you're here, simply drag the OBS video recorded here, select MP3 here and click on extract audio. Now click on download, and as you can see, the audio is successfully downloaded. So that's how you will be able to do this. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.